how to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. So if you want to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Facebook and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now go with your profile and then go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to go with the account center, scroll down, go with your information and permissions. Under that, you need to tap on export your information, or just simply tap on access your information. After that, go with search and search for other people's posts to your feed. Once you find that option, just simply tap on it, or just simply go with activity log and then go with your Facebook activity and go with posts and tap on see more. And here you will have other people's posts to your feed. Tap on it. And here you will have all of the posts, like all of the birthday wishes that the other people have posted on your profile. So just simply select that, post, and reply to each one of them. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.